Hey friends, if you wish to print a Google Doc with comments, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, the reason that this is important is because when you try printing these comments on Google Doc, it doesn't come forward. Like click on print, there's no option at all throughout it to print the comments as well. Here's what you can do as a workaround. Click on file, but you'll need a Microsoft Word for it. Select download and Microsoft Word. Okay, now open this Word file, click on enable editing. As you can see that all the comments will show up here even though it was not created in Word. Click on file, select print, and as you can see in the print preview, the comments are already showing here. So if you print now by clicking on the print button, of course, then it will print along with the comments. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.